Look at this. There ain't nobody out here. Nobody at all. Why? Like we are in the middle of nowhere. There's just so much jungle. But I think it's 12 by 20. Man, this is neat. All right, we gotta go check in. We are at Motel Safari. Somebody's been in the car all day. All right, we're making the best of it. Mo better? Is it perfect? No! Is my butt wet? Yes! Is it awesome? Absolutely. Unbelievable. Ha ha ha! So yeah, 2025, what an amazing year. It was a mostly unplanned adventure, but an adventure it was all the same. Day one, New Year's Day, we drove across the country, and I ended up crossing the country 4 times by car this year alone. I dove into the biggest project in my life, which is the house at the ranch, and this project, the YouTube channel project, grew exponentially so quickly that I still don't even understand it at all. But I don't know what to say except thank you. Like, thank you all very, very much, from the people that have just joined up and been super supportive, but also the people that have been here since the beginning and encouraged me for the 4 years I've been doing this before the channel got any real attention. So yeah, 2025. Crazy. If you liked what you saw, 2026 is going to be full of more adventures. We have so much to do on the ranch. We have so much to do everywhere. But I'm still enjoying all of it. I'm still learning a lot, and I'm still enjoying you guys being a part of it. I really am. It's been very, very rewarding. So thank you. I wish you all a happy new year. I wish you good luck on all of your projects. And we will see you next time on Between the Sharks.